Hello and welcome to Sparcon with Angie. On this channel, we explore different types of building envelope materials with insight into their price, durability, lead times, and performance through time. In this episode, we're going to be looking at the facade of One Vanderbilt in New York City. I absolutely love this building's architecture. It's definitely one of my favorite new buildings in New York City, and I'm super excited to be reviewing it today. One Vanderbilt is a 73-story super tall skyscraper at the corner of 42nd Street and Vanderbilt Avenue in the Midtown Manhattan section of New York City. Designed by famous architect Con Peterson Fox for SL Green Realty, this skyscraper opened in 2020, right at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic. So at the time of its completion, this building was the second tallest office building in New York City, right after One World Trade Center and rising above the famous Chrysler building, which is really close by. One Vanderbilt is set 10 feet back from the street to allow better views of Grand Central Terminal, which is right next and immediately to the east to it. Its facade and design is intended to harmonize with the Grand Central Terminal, and it does this really well. The facade is made mostly of a glass curtain wall with panels that extend from the floor to ceiling of each story, while the spandrels between the stories are made of terracotta. The rest of the superstructure is made entirely of steel and concrete. The curtain wall was fabricated by world-renowned Permastelisa Group, which is based out of Italy and is a leader in this space. According to Permastelisa Group, and let me get this right, there are 34,845 terracotta tiles on this building facade. Now that's quite a lot. Studio Christine Jetton designed the glazing for the terracotta tiles, and the panels contain gradual concave curves and are pearl colored. The building is absolutely stunning and blends in really nicely with the surroundings, including with the Grand Terminal, which is right next to it, adding a touch of freshness and warmth to this area. The terracotta tiles are an absolutely integral part of the overall design. And in this project, the terracotta was supplied by Boston Valley Terracotta, which is based just outside of Buffalo, New York. Terracotta, meaning baked earth in Latin, is an ancient building material with a long history of use. Terracotta's primary component is clay, which is a type of fine-grained soil composed of several different minerals. The characteristic reddish-brown color comes from the presence of iron oxide in the clay. Terracotta is an absolutely amazing and very versatile cladding material. Architectural terracotta is made with a fired mixture of clay and water, aggregates, minerals, colorants, and other elements added for improved aesthetics, reinforcement, and strength. For architectural applications, the clay is fired at high temperatures, creating a durable and long-lasting material. Architectural terracotta can be unglazed, painted, slip glazed, or glazed, depending on the application and desired look. In another episode, we will explore various architectural terracotta panel manufacturers in the world. There are several leading European manufacturers as well as some US manufacturers that we will look at. And we'll really look at the differences between them with respect to price, durability, quality, and variety in size and color options that they offer. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please join me on the next episode of Sparcon with Angie, the source for building envelope material insight.